Hola everyone, I am Agrani Anand and I am currently pursuing fashion designing in lovely professional university. Recently I visited Spain under the student exchange program at A Coruña University, Ferrol. Despite this tough COVID situation, I would like to thank LPU International Office for giving me all the guidance and help in documentation process and visa process. Talking about my experience, I think it is not only about academic certificate, but the journey that we go from airport to sustaining in the foreign land and connection we make there. I personally made a lot of friends not only from Spain but all over the world like France, Italy, Germany. As we are fashion design student, we really need lots of exploration, research and inspiration and what could be the better option when we go and travel to different country and especially from the fashion hub. Here in LPU, I am studying fashion designing, but there I opted for industrial fashion management, which has subject like innovation management, fashion communication, logistics, which will help me in managing the fashion brand. At the end, I would like to say that thank you LPU and thank you International Office for giving me wings to fly.